pull in the social icon from the one that we need. There we go. Okay, now in the beginning I'm just going to hard code these values because I don't necessarily know, or I'm not pulling any data in from anywhere at the moment. So in this case I'm going to use something like my YouTube channel to render the YouTube one and so forth. So if we need to render this on the screen, you can see we've got an example here of a social icon. So now if I was to go ahead and pull over to my screen like so and I hit save, you can see we've got a Twitter icon because we've loaded the following. Okay, now here what I'm going to show you how to do is I'm just going to make that a little smaller. There we go. And let me know if that's too small or if that's okay. All right, nearly at 600 likes. Wow, let's go guys. Well, I'm going to change this now to something like www.youtube.com/sunnysanga. Yes, I have that. All right, and you see, bam, look at that. Lovely, right? And what's so cool about this is that it's even clickable. So if I click into this, you will actually see that go into the correct, you see, my YouTube channel pops up. Awesome stuff. And we are live. There we go. Okay, so we're actually going to use this in a very clever way shortly. Okay, so first thing I want to do is I want to customize it. I want to make the foreground color, which is a property of it. I'm going to make that gray. I'm going to make the background color, so it's actually called BG color. I'm going to make this transparent like so. And as you can see, we start getting the look. Okay, a lot of people are saying, what is that pretty terminal extension? I'm actually using Oh My ZSH. Sasa says, this is the best way to spend Saturday. I feel you, dude. I feel you. Thank you for that. Right. To get this set up initially, Amoraj, thank you for the donation. He says, can you teach ML and data science projects too? I sure can with the help of my friend Leon. So I will plug him. Definitely check out Leon Clone's channel. Right. But there you go. There we got 4 icons popping up. Now, what I want to do is I want this div to style it out in the way that we need it. So I need it looking like that. Right, so on this div, I'm going to go ahead and type in class name, and this is going to be a flexbox container. Okay, this is going to be a flex row container. I'm going to do this because I'm going to change up a bunch of things later. Items should be central. Okay, now what I want to do as well is I need to make these eventually smaller. I don't know if I'm zoomed in here. No, we're good. Yeah, okay. So there we go. So you see how that's on the top left right now, okay? The next thing I want to do is I'm going to have the contact me section, and then we're going to go ahead and style it out and so forth, right? Or we'll even do motion at that point, frame of motion, okay? So I'm going to pop in the div, and now what I want to do is I'm going to have a social icon for email. Now I've already done this one for us, and I've actually added an extension where we've got a cursor pointer. So if I click save now, you can see my cursor is a pointer, which is nice, and this is actually going to be an email icon. Okay,
look where you're going.
So I was just stupidly zoomed in for some reason. Okay, ALS Journey says, can I watch this live later on because I have to go? Yes, you can, dude. It's going to be up on the channel afterwards. Do not worry. Right. And the next tip, I'm going to have a key tag, and this one is going to say get in touch. Okay, feel free to customize the text. Whatever you want is up to you. Now here I'm going to have class name, and I want to have it uppercase, and on a small screen I'm going to hide it. Now what I want you to